Hey everybody, good morning. This is Michelle with Creative Operation, and I have another box that Amanda from Your Creative Studios sent me, so I'm going to do an unboxing today. This one's called Capture, and it, I think, is going to be amazing. Now, you do notice that I have opened the box already. This is the second attempt at trying to do this video, and the first attempt wasn't going so awful well. So I only looked at one thing so far, though, and I'll show you that. It was the masking tape. But we're going to go through the rest of it together on camera. But the box was not cooperating and staying out of my way. But when you open your box, you get this beautiful wrapping paper that wraps all of your goodies inside. And you get this beautiful thank you card. And on the back of these thank you cards, you have a beautiful piece that you can use in your projects. And I have used these in my projects when I have created with her packages. So I am super excited to incorporate that. So now what I'm going to do, because this was not cooperating, I'm going to try and take this out of the box and get the box kind of scooted out of the way. And then we'll open this up. Now you can see I did already open it up, but I didn't look through anything except for the washi tape. So I'm going to pretend like we haven't seen this yet, and I'm going to open it back up. I tried to save part of the envelope, but the flap did not work out there really well because you can use the envelope also when you're junk journaling. But this is a beautiful washi tape, and it is photography related. Can you see the old cameras? Oh my goodness. I'm already like so in love with this because I love the vintage vibe. I just love that. So this is going to be a fun way to incorporate this. I'm looking forward to making a junk journal. I'm loving junk journals. I've been doing a lot of tea dyeing and coffee dyeing of my papers. So I've been kind of collecting my stuff. This is going to be perfect for what I was intending on doing. So in this little package here, let me open this up. This is called Midnight Letter, and there's 30 pieces in this pack. So you get some twine, and you get some washi stickers and labels. Look at that rabbit. Is that not cute or what? Write a letter. So you get 2 of everything here. So these beautiful vintage ladies. These are washi stickers. Oh, the pocket watch. Oh my goodness. Look at the pocket watch. That is super cute. Oh my, look at this. So these are really great. I'll flip through these. These are paper, and so you can use these to collage with. You could use these and make tags out of them. Oh, and the lady with her little writing, or her piano, excuse me. For a second, I thought it was a writing desk, but I guess I need to have my glasses checked. Here's a beautiful label, another label. So tags. So you got some paper tags in here, which is awesome because we love tags in our junk journals. This stuff would also be amazing in, your bullet journals. If you're into, journaling, your planners, all kinds of different things. This is paper ephemera here. Let's go through this pack. I just love the variety, and I am already so in love with this pack. I just can't even hardly stand it. This is awesome. So little paper ephemeras here. So it looks like you get several. You get 3 of each one, which is really pretty. Oh, look at these. These are all photo frames. Oh, and you could do journaling on them. Oh yeah, photo frames. Look at that. How cool is that? So it looks like you get 3 of every one, which is awesome. So I could envision myself taking a couple of them and gluing them, back to back and using them as tags. So I think that would be a really cool idea. And they have texture to them. Can you see on the back? You can see it better. There's texture to these. So these have a really nice feel to them. I love this. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so that's the paper ephemera. What in the world? Oh, look at this. It's a coin purse. The shape like a camera. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, this is cute. This would be super cute. It feels like, oh, there's foam inside. Okay. There's a keychain ring here for this, so you could use this as a coin purse. You could add this as a decoration to your album. Oh my goodness, that is so cool. Oh my gosh, I love that. I haven't seen that in one of the kits yet, so that's pretty exciting. It's very nice. Oh gosh, I'm loving that. So this is a paper pad. And let's just flip through. Oh, good. Lots of collage papers. Multiple of every style. Let's see, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of every style. So look how pretty that is. Oh, I love that. So for collaging and stuff, that's awesome. Really nice. Nice and thin. You could decoupage with that. You could do your collaging with that. That's amazing. Here is a cling stamp. And let's see what this one is. Oh, there's a couple of them in here. Let's take those out. Oh, so you have a film strip. Oh, I'm loving that. And look at that, an old camera. Oh my gosh, with all the paraphernalia down at the bottom, can you guys see this? The detail in these stamps are really awesome, and I have to apologize. I didn't use the stamps in the last project because I did that nano project, but this one here, oh, definitely going to be stamping with that. So that is amazing. I love those. So you have your cling stamps here. Let's see what's here. This is another stamp. Oh, I got another package too underneath it, so let's check this out. This stamp here is the vintage camera. So you can see that. The detail is amazing. I think these are going to be so much fun to play with for sure. And then this stamp here. Oh, that is cute. That is cute. It looks like a chicken carrying a camera. That's awesome. Very, very cute. And he's wearing sunglasses too. I don't know if you can see that, but he's wearing sunglasses too. That's awesome. That's awesome. I will be playing with those. Those are very, very cute. Oh, and in here, look at this, a little camera charm. Oh, perfect for our books because we all love to do charms. That's awesome. Let's see, this guy here. Let me grab a craft knife so I can open this up and see what's in here. Now, in the last kit, I got a box like this, and they were washi stickers that were shaped like stamps. So let's see what is in here. It's called Art Clippings, and yes, they are the stamp pack. Oh my gosh, look at these. I'll show you a few of them. Check. Oh, you guys, seriously, this is going to be a phenomenal journal. Oh my gosh. You guys got to go check this out. This package is called Capture. I'll put a link to it below. Oh, look at that spam. All the vintage images, Pabst Blue Ribbon right there. Oh, you guys, this is amazing. Oh, and there's a Halloween one with Budweiser. Perfect. RC Cola. Check it out. These images are so cool. I love this. This is so cool. Those are amazing. This pack is called Time Traveler, and it appears like it is a paper pack. So I'm excited to see what is in here. So again, more collaging you could do, more decorations to your pages. They look like they're all, let's see, like ads from, like newspaper clippings. Super pretty. So you get these square ones. So the square ones are, let me find my ruler here. These are like 3 1/8 by 3 1/8. So you get a whole ton of those. Look at that. Oh my gosh. You guys, if you're totally into this vintage thing, you're going to love this pack. So here's some more skinny ones. These are roughly 2 1/4 by 4 1/4. And again, more vintage images of old newspapers in all different colors too. So it's really beautiful. You could put these together really nicely. And then you have this one here that is 3 1/8 by about 4 3/8. And look at this one on the first page here, the Titanic right there says Titanic, most costly of ships. Oh my gosh. I need a magnifying glass. I would totally read these. Super cute. I love these. Very, very, very nice. I just absolutely think these are gorgeous. Oh, wait. Titanic sinking? But then it says no lives lost. I think that's not quite right. Interesting. Very interesting. Does this say no or number? That would be kind of crazy. says no, but that's not entirely true now, is it? We all know that. Okay, next page here, we have more papers, and let's open this up and see what we've got in here. And then I love the image on the back too, because you can totally use the packaging too. So you have these. Now these are about 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and they're nice paper. They're actually on the thicker side too, and they almost feel like sticker paper. They feel thick. Are they stickers? I'm gonna try and find. Yes, they are. They're washi stickers. That's why they feel so thick. All right, so they're stickers. Oh, this is awesome. So you've got a bunch of those, and then you have some vellum sheets here, which is super nice. So you've got that, and then you have some regular paper as well. Oh, you guys, this is a beautiful pack. So you have the vellum and paper and stickers. This is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. I am excited. And then last, oh, no, not last, we have camera stickers, which I think are awesome, the old vintage cameras. And then we have some of the rice paper that's really super thin. And I'm going to probably leave it in the package just because I don't want to ruin it before I get a chance to play with it. But I am going to open it up because I want to see how many are in here. I think it's usually four pieces. And yeah, let's see. This one here, 2. There are 2 beautiful papers. No, there's more than that. There's 4. There's 4. Ah, I lied. There you go. There's 4 papers, but look at how beautiful that is. That is absolutely gorgeous. On one of my projects, I used these papers on the cover of my album, and it looked wonderful when I got it all, you know, adhered down and then decoupaged and did some, you know, collage over top and everything. It was just gorgeous. All right, you guys. This is the collection that I received today. This is awesome. This is called Capture, and this is from Your Creative Studio. I will put a link down below. Look at all this beautiful vintage loveliness I get to play with. I am so excited. I just can't even hardly tell you how excited I am. This is going to be amazing. So I will come back soon. I'm going to make a project. I'm going to make a junk journal out of this because I already have some ideas. And like I said, I have been tea dyeing and coffee dyeing paper like crazy. So I'm going to get busy with that, and I will be back soon with the tutorial for that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.